My eyes feel funny. I wonder, why do onions make me tear up?
A fantastic question, Shaurya. Every question is an adventure. Onions have a secret little trick inside. You see, when an onion is cut, it lets out a special invisible gas. It's like a tiny tickly spray. This tickly gas is so light that it floats up, 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 up through the air, right towards your amazing eyes. When the gas touches your eyes say, "Whoa, we need to wash this away right now." So your eyes create their own mini water shower. These are the tears that wash the tickly gas away and keep your eyes safe.
But here's a super trick. If you wear a shield, like these cool goggles, the gas can't reach your eyes at all.
Wow, science is the best. No more onion tears for me. Thanks, Professor.
Keep asking questions to find amazing answers. See you next time.